So basically we are using Tinkercad, and you can use some of these shapes to build one of these barrels. So you put them together, and easy as that, very simple. Then we go ahead and export the file. We open the slicer software, whichever software you are using. In my case, I'm using this, and you gotta take the measurements. Obviously, I'm gonna add the supports, 3 supports. We are going to slice it. Mine did not require support, so which we are good. And now let's hit it to print. I think that one almost done. No, they're basically halfway. How do they look? I think they look good. We are done with the barrels. Design time about 5 minutes. Printing time about 20 to 30 minutes. Good. And they fit on these cargos. Let me see what's the height. Yeah, it's about the same height. Yeah, that's perfect for undercarriages and everything. I mean, under bridges. Anyways,